In this video, we will explain how to measure point-to-line with the Leica DISTO X6. With point-to-line or P2L technology from Leica Geosystems, you can measure distances between points and a line from one location. This function is useful for referencing points relative to a known line, for example, a house edge or property boundary. This is particularly useful when the documented points are later no longer visible or accessible. Set up your Leica DISTO X6 with the DST-360X adapter on a tripod at a location where you can measure the point of interest, the starting point of a reference line, and one point along this line. Turn on your DISTO. Press the menu key and select the point-to-line function. The leveling will start automatically. Just follow the steps shown on the display. Once the leveling is finished, the device is ready to measure the first point. You can see the exact laser position on the display thanks to the digital point finder. Use the fine adjustment on the adapter to aim precisely. The first two measurements define the reference line. After the first point is measured, turn the DISTO towards the second point somewhere along the reference line and measure in the same way. When successful, you will see a confirmation on the screen that the reference line has been defined. Now let's aim at your point of interest, POI, and press the DIST button. The Leica Target Plate TPD 100 kit with pole and bubble enables measurement on landmarks easily. You immediately see two values representing the distances between this point and the reference line. The first measurement value shows the distance between the starting point of the reference line and the 90-degree perpendicular projection of the point of interest onto the reference line. The second value represents the perpendicular distance of the point of interest to the reference line. Depending on the position of the point of interest, measurement results may show positive or negative values. You can repeat the measurements to measure several points in the direction of the same reference line. To start with a new reference line, press the upper right button. My special tip for you: use the tracking function, for example, to find an invisible landmark using the coordinate plan of the surveyor's office. This exclusive feature is only available for Leica DISTO X6 with DST-360X adapter, as it's also included in the Leica DISTO X6 P2P package.